length of tangent segment. Write the statement. Length of the tangent segment from x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. There's a notation for this. What the notation is? We denote this by s. So equation of circle is s is equal to 0. Length of the tangent segment is root s1. Do you understand the meaning of s1? What the meaning of s1? X and y are replaced by the coordinate. That's meaning of s1. Substitute x as x1 and y as y1. What you get is s1. This is the notation we will be applying. Root s1. Okay. Everybody fine?
Yes, sir.
Write the proof of it. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Draw a circle. Draw the point x1, y1. Draw the tangent. Mark the center. Join it. The point is denoted by P, T, and C. Write the equation of circle. Can you do it yourself? All the sides of the triangle you have to get, and that's PT is L. Length of the tangent segment is PT. So PC, C is minus D comma minus F.
Comma minus f.
So length PC is distance formula. I will give you that. I hope you are writing with me. Length
Yes,
CT
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
radius. So this is a right angle triangle. So PT square is PC square is hypotenuse minus CT square, which is x1 plus g the whole square, y1 plus f the whole square, minus g square plus f square minus c. When you expand it,
G square and f square will get cancelled.
yeah. So this g square f square will get cancelled. So length PT is square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Finish writing or you're writing? Find the length of the tangent segment from the point. First question. From the point is this one, circle is this. Second is point is this, circle is this. What is the answer for 1? Give me the answer. What you must do? Nobody want to answer. Nobody knows the answer. Say yes or no. Yes.
2gx and 2fy.
No,
What
make
did
the
you do for that?
first you have to make the equation circle to 0. This is x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. First point.
Yes.
So length of the tangent segment and is root S1. S stands for equation circle. This is S.
Okay.
S1 means substitute the point. So root of 7 square plus 1 square minus 25. Root of 50 minus 25. That is root 25, which is equal to 5 unit. So length of the tangent segment is 5 units for first question. Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So you
sir.
have to make the equation circle equal to 0. Then only we can apply it. Length of the tangent segment S1 means right hand side of the left hand side of the equation circle. When you express it as equal to 0 form. Can you give me the answer for the second one?
1 second, sir. Minus 2 the whole
Square
square.
plus
1
y
the
is
whole
replaced by 1. 1 square minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 1 plus 10. 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3. So root of how much? 12. Na? That is 2 root 3 unit.
So plus 10.
So you
10.
forgot plus 10.
Oh,
So it should be root 23.
22. Na?
22.
Yeah.
Ah,
You have to
22.
give it as root 22 unit. Mohit, you came to see whether I'm alive or not or what? मोहित आपका मर्जी जब आएगा जब जाएगा जो भी करना है करो आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर्ड आई डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक माय हेड ऑन ऑल दिस स्टूपिड थिंग्स स्टूडेंट you have to find the locus. What do you mean by locus? Once again, what do you mean by locus?
Set of points.
How to find the equation of locus? Take one sample point, apply the conditions satisfied by that sample point, and formulate into an equation. What are the conditions satisfied by the points on this locus? They are equidistant from the circle. So if I take Px1, y1 be a point on the locus, Pt1 and Pt2 will be equal. Pt1 is length of the tangent segment to the first circle. So root x1 square plus y1 square minus 4. Pt2 is the length of tangent segment to the second circle. So we get this. Square both the side, we got this equation. So what is that? One sample point which you picked up from the locus will satisfy this equation. Therefore, every point on the locus will satisfy the same equation. That is why x1 became x and y1 became y. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So minus 4 plus 1, so minus 5. This is plus, this is minus. Thank you, Austin, for correcting me. Okay. Fine, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Parametric equation of circle. First, I'll take standard circle's parametric equation. That means using one single variable, we'll have to define every point on the circle. That is called parametric equation. That means if I know this radius, I say the Cartesian equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. What will be the parametric equation? If you take any point here, x comma y, this will be x and this will be y. This angle will be theta. Theta is called the parameter of the point. Theta is called the parameter of the point Pxy. Then you can see from the diagram, sin theta will be y upon a and cos theta will be x upon a, which means every point on the circle has x coordinate a cos theta and y coordinate a sin theta. Therefore, the parametric equation of the circle is of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. So what is the parametric equation of x square plus y square is 25? Tell me.
A cos theta the whole square plus a sin theta the whole square.
Every point on the circle will have x coordinate is 5 cos theta and y coordinate is 5 sin theta. So that is the parametric equation. Knowing the angle theta, you can generate each and every point on the circle. Suppose theta is 90 degrees, you will get this point. Theta is 180 degrees, you will get this point. Theta is 270 degrees, you will get this point. Theta is 0 degrees, you will get this point. Theta is 45, you will get this point. As theta varies, each and every point on the circle can be generated by this equation. So this equation is called the parametric equation. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Please note down that. Before, I thought I did not teach you this thing before. That's why I did not give any problem on this. Okay, then I'm going to teach you the last part of this chapter. That is relative position of circle. And number of common tangents. Relative position of circle, number of common tangent, also meaning of radical axis. These three things I'm going to teach you now. First, I'll give you one case, case one. Don't write for 2-3 minutes. Just you have not understood what I'm planning to teach. So I'll explain that. Imagine I give you equation of the circle. How will I come to know these two circles are touching externally like this? Or how will I come to know these circles are touching internally like this? Only I know the equation of circle. I don't know anything else. And also, how many common tangents this circle will have? How many common tangents this circle will have? And what will be the equation of the common tangent? That is called radical axis. Radical axis meaning keep on changing according to the how the position of the two circles. So, okay. What can you say? When you know the equation of circle, we know the center. We know the radius. If circle touch externally, what will be the speciality? Length C1, C2 will be distance from the two center will be the sum of the radius. Is it clear to you? This is how you test. You will find out the center of both circle. You will find the distance between them and check whether sum of the radius and the distance are they equal. If they are equal, they touch externally. Second point, they might ask you to find the point of contact. Which is a point of contact? P. P is the point of contact. Then point of contact divides C1, C2, that means join of the center, in the ratio R1 is to R2. You agree with the statement? And internally, the ratio of division is internally. Divide C1, C2 ratio internally.
So can you explain this one more time?
What?
The second point.
If P is a point, let's say radius is 3 and this radius is 2. Let's imagine this center is 3, 1. This center is 3, 5, 2, minus 2. How will I find the coordinate of P? Naturally, this length is 3. This length is 2. So P will divide C1, C2 in the ratio 3:2.
3:2.
So coordinate of P you can derive as 3 multiplied with 5 plus 2 multiplied with the 3 divided by the sum of the ratio. What is the sum of the ratio? Divided by 5. So you will get mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n.
Use the section formula.
Yes. When you say division ratio of division means section formula only, na?
Yes, sir.
Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
The next
Yes,
point is how many common tangents they do have. Number of common tangents. How many common tangents do you have?
3.
3. No.
Very good. Excellent. What are the 3 common tangents? I'm drawing with blue color. One will be like this.
One from below
Like this.
and
And
one will be passing to point P.
Yes. Now I'm going to give you another secret. What will be the equation of this tangent? The equation of this tangent will be the equation of first circle minus equation of second circle. Suppose the equation of this circle is s is equal to 0. Equation of this circle is s dash equal to 0. If you take the difference between the two equations of circle, what you get will be equation of a line. That line will be the equation of the common tangent through the point of contact. Only one tangent is passing through the point of contact. So number of common tangent is 3. And the equation of the common tangent is s minus s dash equal to 0. Equation of common tangent. Through the point P is s minus s dash equal to 0. What does s stands for? Equation of first circle.
Equation of circle.
Dash is the equation of second circle. Everybody followed this 4 point?
Yes, sir.
Guaranteed question on this will come. Test whether the circle are touching externally. How many common tangents do the circles have? What is the point of contact? What is the equation of the common tangent through the point of contact? This many questions they will ask you. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down this first point, or you want time to write? Yes or no? Have you copied down?
No,
sir.
sir.
So how to draw it? One circle like this, write a little bigger circle.
Another
Then
smaller
inside that,
circle.
inside that, one more circle. Then mark the center of the circles. Then join it like this. Now mark the radius. First one radius will be the whole line. Second radius R2. Center C1, center C2. Let's say this point is P. So tell me, if circle touch internally, what you can say?
Length C1, C2 will be the difference of radiuses.
Very good.
R1,
Excellent.
R1 minus R2.
R1 minus R2. If R1 is greater, R1 minus R2. If R2 is greater, R2 minus R1, depending on the position of the circle. What can you say about the point of contact? P will divide C1, C2 externally in the ratio. In the ratio R1 is to R2. R1 is bigger number, R2 is smaller number. So what is the external formula? mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Here m will be R1 and n will be R2. I've written the formula because you may have must have forgot the external division formula. How many common tangents?
Only one.
One common.
Yeah, one.
Common tangent I'll draw with green color. This will be the common tangent. And what will be the equation of this common tangent? Same formula. S minus S dash equals 0. The radical axis will be the common tangent. So next point, what you have to write is number of common tangent will be equal to 1. Equation of common tangent, just subtract both equations of circle, is S minus S dash equals 0. So both the place, equation of common tangent is going to be the same. This will be R1, this will be R2. So if the circles are intersecting, what will be the condition satisfied? Distance between the center will be less than the sum of the radius. Do you agree with this? This length plus this length will be more than the distance between the center. Sum of the radius should be more than the distance between the center. Then how many common tangents? Tell me number of common tangent.
2.
2.
I'll draw the common tangent with blue color. One will be like this, and one will be like this. What will be the radical axis here? The equation of common chord will be S minus S dash equals 0. Which is the common chord here? I will draw it with the green color. This is the common chord. And the equation of this common chord will be S minus S dash equal to 0. So the meaning of radical axis keep on changing according to the. So this is known as radical axis. Okay, this s minus s dash is known as radical axis. So if the circles are touching externally, radical axis is a common tangent. If the circle is intersecting, the common chord will be the radical axis. Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you written that or should I wait?
So 1 minute.
What is this one? Circles do not intersect each other or nor they touch. So one circle like this, one circle like this. So then what will happen? The distance between the center will be the greater than the sum of the radius. And number of common tangents would be 4. All blue colored is the common tangent. There are 4. And the radical axis equation s minus s dash equal to 0 will be the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the centers of the circle. So if they ask you to find the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the center of the circle, write the first equation of circle, second equation of circle, and subtract it, you will get directly the radical axis. Okay, that's all for today.